Updating your legal name on your Happy Money account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Happy Money account by visiting the website or using the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to gain access to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, locate the Profile or Account Settings section. This is typically found in the menu or under your account name. Click on it to access your personal information. Step 3. Select Name Change option. In the Profile Settings, look for an option related to personal information or name changes. Click on this option to begin the process of updating your legal name. Step 4. Provide documentation. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Submit your requests. After providing the required information and documentation, review your changes and submit your request. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your name change request is being processed. Once you've completed these steps, keep an eye on your email for any updates from Happy Money regarding the status of your name change.